Welcome to MrYouWho. Andy here again. Really excited to have you back here today to review the JBL Reflect Flow Pro earbuds. Now we're so excited to be reviewing these today. The reason being is we've reviewed the JBL Reflect Flow Mini, the JBL Reflect Flow previously, as you can see here, and found them to be incredible earbuds. Fantastic value for money and really good working out. Now these earbuds have come out from JBL and they're IPX68, which means they can be used, put under water up to a meter. They can be used in dust, sand, water resistant, exercising. They're fantastic. So we're going to be putting them through the paces today. I'm actually going to go and try them out at the beach, in the pool, exercising, so you can see how they work. And you're going to find they perform very, very well under intense workouts. They're fantastic. We're also going to be looking at the battery life. Battery life, 10 hours in the earbuds and 20 hours in the case as well. Wireless charging, they charge very quickly. And the sound is exceptional. You're about to find out that we did a number of different sound tests and found that they probably had the most balanced sound of any earbuds in the marketplace. But anyway, I don't want to give too much away just yet. What you guys go and check out the video. As you can see, we're going to go and use them out and about. We're going to test the sound, unbox them, give you guys an idea of how they look, so you can make a decision about whether these are the best earbuds for you. Now, MrYouWho have done quite a number of different earbud reviews, as you can see. We love JBL, we think they're exceptional, and we really hope you enjoy this video. So anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and look at our page for more earbud reviews here on MrYouWho. I'm really pumped to be doing the unboxing of JBL Reflect Flow Pro right now. Now, as you can see, it comes in a lovely box as always, much like JBL's other products like JBL Reflect Flow. JBL Reflect Flow Mini, great presentation. A bit about some of the features of the earbuds, adaptive noise cancelling, IPX68, which we'll be going to in a bit more detail shortly. Again, they're sports orientated earbuds as well. That being said though, you can use them not only just for sports, but we'll go again into that shortly. A bit more about some of the key features on there as well, which we'll be going to in a minute. The thing I like about this as well is, as you can see, 10 minutes to get 1 hour of charge. And you've got your Amazon Alexa built in, and also your Google, you can call Google on there as well, which is really good. So anyway, let's have a look at what comes in it. So there you go. Again, there's a presentation, really, really nice. So we'll look first at at what comes in the case, as well as the earbuds themselves. Now, as you can see, pull them out there. Now, the case itself is quite a good size. Let's move this away for a minute. You can see it sits nicely in my palm. It's not too heavy. And there we have is the earbuds as well. Now, they feel very similar to the JBL Reflect Flow, which I reviewed previously. The thing is, the ear tips already feel a lot harder. The JBL Reflect Flow, they did sit well in the ears, but I think you'll find when we use these later, they're going to be a lot more sturdy in the ears for when you're doing exercise. So let's open up the box. So there you go. Now, this case is wireless charging. So you can actually wirelessly charge the earbuds just by sitting onto the charger, which is great. Now, the earbuds themselves have 10 hours battery life, and you get 20 hours in the case as well, which is great. What that basically means is it's going to allow you to do a whole heap of different exercises without having to worry about it charging. The earbuds are also a dual connect as well, and dual sync, which means you can connect to many different devices, which is quite handy. So yes, having a look, they feel very sturdy, a good build. As you can see, they're connected at the moment to my phone. They connect as soon as they come out of the case. They're light, so not too heavy at all. Good size. Really excited to be able to test these and kind of see how they work as well. So pop back in the case. They start charging as soon as they're back in the case as well. But there you go. Don't they look lovely? And again, I did review the JBL Reflect Flow previously, and as I said, it was a great pair of earbuds, and also the JBL Reflect Mini as well were one of my favourite set too. Now, as you can see, USB-C charging as well. Now you get 10 minutes, you get 1 hour of charge, which is really, really quick. So let's go back and have a look at the box now and see what else comes in it. Now, some people have said in the past that they've had trouble fitting the earbuds into the ears, so you do have different tips you can use. So the tips that come right out of the packet work fine for me, but you can choose different tips depending on what you want to do. Very, very easy and straightforward to swap over as well, which is handy. Again, there's the cable as well that you can use to charge the phones as I get out of the box, just there. Nice orange cable you can plug in, sits just in there. And also you've got your instruction guide. Now, the great thing is JBL earbuds always come with very good instructions to be able to use them. They work very, very well. So again, you take them out and you've got your quick start guide. Now, a good thing with these earbuds as well is the app works really well. As you can see there, the app, you can control a whole heap of different functions. For example, how you answer the calls, you can check the sound quality, change the noise cancelling, all that kind of stuff as well. So it's really good. Anyway, we'll talk slightly more about those features later, but as you can see, a really good pair of earbuds. Can't wait to go out there and actually try these out in the field so you guys can see exactly how they look. Anyway, let's go and do some more testing just now. Now let's have a bit of a look at some of the functions of the Reflect Flow Pro and how to actually use it. The great thing with it is you can take it straight out of the case, put it into your ear, and it pairs straight away. Now with the actual fins, as you can see, there's the fins there. Now they're hardened fin, which means they don't move that much. When you put them in your ear, they fit under your ear wing just there very easily and don't move a lot. And that's why they're perfect for sport compared to maybe the other ones. The other Reflect Flow earbuds, they actually did move slightly in the ears. Now with the earbuds, what I really like about it as well is you can actually control them through the earbuds. So if you want to go and play a song, you just press it once. If you want to go and skip forward, you press it twice. And if you want to skip back through a track, you press it 3 times. Over this side, you've got the ambient aware, the noise cancelling, and also the normal sound, which is great. So you press it for ambient aware, so you can hear people talking around you. You press it again for noise cancelling. And the noise cancelling in these earbuds were actually really good. So using it at the gym, which you'll see shortly, is I couldn't hear other people around me. They sounded very good. It blocked out the noise completely, which means not only is it better for your ears, that you're not getting other noise coming in, you can have the volume turned down as well, which is great. Now they also work really well with Google Alexa, for example. So you can go, hey Google, and you can call the Google Assistant as well. It allows you to call the earbuds. So they're really, really good. As you can see the cases there, again, it's wireless charging as well, which is great. You can use it, just plonk it down and use it, and you get a lot of noise out of it. Now, you can also use the JBL app as well to change the sound equalization settings. The great thing with it is it customizes the sound according to what you want, and it really takes the sound of these and really makes them kick. It's fantastic. Anyway, we'll be doing a sound test shortly, so I can kind of show you what they sound like through the phone speakers. You get a bit of an idea about it. But people said it's got the most well-balanced sound in the market. I'd probably agree. And the actual sound compared to the previous JBL Reflect earbuds is a big improvement, and they were fantastic in themselves. So anyway, let's go out and about and show you how these actually work out exercising and using them, and also on the beach. We're also going to go and test how they work in the water. Remember IPX68? You can submerge them, get dust on them, get sand on them. They keep on working, and we'll show you how that works right now. And here we are using them on the beach. It's absolutely beautiful. There's the sand, water resistant, dust proof as well, which means you can swim in the water and you've got no issues in using them. And they really are great earbuds. And as you can see, I'm talking through them at the moment, and they're really, really nice. So you're about to go and take a dip and try them in the water. But yeah, beautiful for the beach. Great earbuds. Earbuds in the pool, and the great thing with them is while they're waterproof and water resistant, they don't get any water in them. You couldn't actually hear them under the water, and that's the reason why, because it blocks out the Bluetooth signal, so you can't actually hear the music in the water. But the great thing is if they do fall into the pool or you manage to get water on them, they do work really well, which is great. So again, good for sport. Here I'm using them in the shower. Now again, I could hear music in the shower, which is really good. I was listening to some songs. The only challenge I had was, though, as the water was falling onto my ears, it was stopping the music because the earbuds are very, very sensitive. So it was like I was changing tracks at the side there, but as you can see, you can actually use them while going for a shower, which to be honest, I think is pretty cool. They are really good as well. They don't move at all in the ears. With the noise cancelling, I can't hear any music around me, and they really are good for a workout. And if you sweat a lot as well, because they're IPS68, no sweat will get into the actual earbuds themselves. So even if you drop them in water, they'll last as well. Now I also use these running along the beach when I was down there. Didn't move in my ears as well. Very, very comfortable fit, and that's because of the wing. It sits really nice in the ears, but it's great quality sound if you're doing a workout. The earbuds, I think, are up there for the best. We're working out. Well, what do we think? Well, JBL, with the JBL Reflect Flow Pro, you've really hit out of the park. These are exceptional earbuds, particularly for sport. Now, I love going to the gym, as you could see, every single day. I love running, lifting weights, working out, swimming, and these earbuds really did stand up to the test. Now, to get such a great pair of earbuds that sound so good, that are also perfect for exercising, is brilliant. Being able to run, you can just change tracks and change tunes by pressing the buttons. You can call Google Assistant to call people. Now also the actual voice calls were exceptional on these as well. With the 3 microphones inbuilt, you could hear people clearly. They took away outside noise. And again, the sound was exceptional. Now I listen to a lot of dance music, a lot of rock music as well. and the earbuds sounded fantastic with it as well. The beats were clear, the treble was nice, and they had, other people said they got the most balanced sound of any earbuds on the marketplace, and I would agree. And these are right up there, if not better than the Apple Airpods. So I really recommend them. They come at a good price as well, very, very good value. And these are JBL's new flagship sports earbuds. They've done an exceptional job. Now, as you can see, I use them out. I use them at the gym, at the beach, running around. I did use them in the pool. I wouldn't recommend that. The reason being is because Bluetooth doesn't pick up through the water, as you could see with the noise that it made. But that being said, they weren't designed for swimming. That was something that MrYouWho did. But as I said before, check out our other Reflect Flow earbud reviews. We're going to do a which Reflect Flow earbuds are best review, showing 3 of them in future. We've got a whole heap of earbuds reviews as well, but also do lots of different lifestyle channels as well, which you can see. But JBL, you've done a fantastic job with these earbuds. Feature packed, great quality sound, and the noise cancelling as well is really, really good. Again, at the gym, press a button, you can't hear the outside sound. You press the button again, ambient aware. You can talk to someone while listening to the music, while doing your workout. Exceptional. And using the JBL app to vary the earbuds as well is excellent. You can actually change where the functions work, how the earbuds work around your style. So JBL, again, exceptional earbuds, really well done. These are now my new favorite Reflect Flow. And if you see my other Reflect Flow videos, I really do enjoy this brand. So anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, let us know what you think of the JBL Reflect Flow Pro earbuds. And you can also buy them in the links below if you choose. So anyway, thanks again for joining us here on another exciting video at, as you know, MrYouWho.